welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to be creating a digital product that is unique and it's on high demand. With this digital product, you're going to be selling daily. If you do your assignment or your work very well, you should be making close to $100 daily. And in a month, you should calculate that. You're going to be making huge amounts of money. And this digital product is coloring books. We have, if you want to go into the niche of children coloring book, alphabet tracing book for toddlers, for children, and I'm going to be creating something similar to this, right? And I hope you gain one or two things from it and grab your laptop and follow this method I'm going to be giving you in this video to start creating your first digital product. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. So our first step is you come to Canva. If you don't have Canva account, you'll see my description box. You see the link there. Sign up for it. You can use the free version of Canva to start making money on Canva. Okay, so now we're going to come here and you're going to click on template. You come here, you click on template, and after clicking on template, you now search A4. So it's going to give us a blank page. So we're going to create a blank document. So this is our blank document. So we're going to create this 26 blank page because we have 26 alphabets. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate 26 of this. I'll duplicate 26 of this, then I'll be right back. So before we continue, I already created my prompts here on ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT to list the names of alphabets and words for me so that it's going to be easy for me. Okay, so this is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, as you all know it. So I did it, it gave me up to Z. So instead of me, for it to be very easy for me. So I will now come here. I'll come back to my plain sheet. Then go to set text, add text. You look for cute. Okay, you look for no. So I'm going to click here, come here, then I'm going to create like type a uppercase and lowercase a, okay, and lowercase a. So I'm going to enlarge it. As you can see, I'll enlarge it, then I will bring it here. Then I will come here. I want to change my font. Then I'm going to search for cute. So we come here, then I'm going to click here. I want to change it to come to cute, right? Then we're going to be showing more sugar. So this is our alphabet. So we come to effects, then you click on outline, okay? Then you change this to color black. So most of when we were young, or we used to say A for apple, and there's some different types of words. But for this, I'm going to be using apple. So I will come to elements, and I'm going to search for apple. So we'll look for a good color for apple. So tech lovers, I have the pro version, which is the paid. So, but for the purpose of this video, I want you to know that you can create this without paying for it. So we're going to be using this free version. Anyone that you did not see this crown on that it says pro, then it's free. So you're free to use it. So I'm going to be using this and I'm going to move it closer to this place. Let me adjust it. So since our color apple is red, so we're going to be changing this color to red. So you come here, you come to this alphabet and you click on red. So as you can see, it's looking beautiful. So I'm going to click on text again. I'm going to increase it a bit, a bit. So I'm going to be, you come here, then I'll create like uppercase, lowercase, then you create a space, uppercase, lowercase. You make it like 4 times and lowercase, okay? Then I'm going to come to this, I will look for a dot line. So I use this font, like KG Primary Dot, this one. So it generated this, and we're going to change this color. We come here, we change it to color black, as you can see. So we duplicate, again, so the page is full, then you duplicate again. Let me arrange it. So now I'm going to come back again to text, and I'm going to enlarge this, bring it up here, and I'm going to put Apple. As you know, A is for Apple. So I'm going to change my font. I'm going to look for a cute font. Let's say cute. Come here, you type cute. Then you look for a nice, well, so as you can see, this is Apple, is A for Apple. So now you've made your first page, and you can create, we're going to be creating up to Z. But because I don't want this video to be long, or before I end, let me see if I can create alphabet B. Then I will complete everything, and I will show you the end result. Okay? Stay tuned. So now that we've created this, I'm going to be creating a front page for it. Then after creating the front page for it, if there's time, I'm going to create the alphabet B, and I'll show you how to print. So now I'm going to click on duplicate, right? So I'm going to make this page, I'm going to make it a blank page. So we come to design, and you type kids. Yeah, it comes to kids. So we're going to be searching for a very good template to use. Let me look for it. I'll be right back. So I'm going to change this. I'll change this to alphabets. Alphabets. Tracing part. Okay. So let me arrange it. So I'm going to change this color to color red. It's coming out well. I'll bring this up. Then I'll duplicate. I will say my name is. This is just an intro to the alphabet. Okay, I can change the font if I want to something like this. Enlarge it. I'll bring this up. Yeah. Then this also like this. Let me increase it. Then I'll come here, elements, look for line. I'm going to look for a line here. I'll straighten my hand. Yeah. I'm going to remove this. Remove this. Then I'll bring this down. Okay. Then this, I would reduce this a bit, right? This to be reduced. Then I come to elements. I look for ABC. So I look for the best that I can use. So tech lovers, I'm going to finish it up, and you're going to see the finish end. You'll see the finish end, okay, at the beginning of this video. So this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to finish it up to Z, A, B, C, D, Z, and this is how you're going to create your course digital product. After doing this, you come to share, and after you click on share, you come to download, and you download as PDF standard, okay, and you click on download. So after you click on download, you can sell this on Amazon KDP, you can put it on Payib, and you can also use System.io to display your digital products, okay? If you love this video and you got value from it, let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this to create your first digital product. And let me know if you create the first digital product, you can message me on Tech with Bumi on TikTok or Instagram account. And check my description to join my membership class, okay? Thank you and bye for now. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you got value. Cheers.